Good morning, classes. I just wanted to show you guys how to use Google Meet if you need to. Once you go to your email, if you click up in the right hand corner, the waffle I think we're calling it, and you go to Google Meet, what you can do is set up a meeting, and this is how I'll be setting up meetings for you to join during my office hours, like I said, which will be from 12 o'clock till 2 o'clock just about every day. And if you email me, I should be able to respond to you. These first 3 days are just kind of getting through what we can. And anyways, if you want to set up your own Google meeting, you can just click the Google Meets here. You can click join or start a meeting. You can name it anything that you want. Okay, you'll hit continue. This is how you would set up a meeting. And then the camera should be starting. Right now the camera is failing because it's being used by another application. You can also present your screen, and more or less what you can do is you can also send out this link. So just go to the top right here and you can copy this link and email that to somebody, and then they can click on it and join. When you join our meetings, once you are in, it's going to look like this. Again, it does give you a link, or you can add people as well. And something that you're going to want to do when you join our meeting is mute and turn off your microphone. You can turn on and off your camera if you want. I believe it's being used by this application, so it's not letting me. But that's going to be, let's make sure this happens. That's going to be what you want to do. And there's a chat box as well on the right hand side that you could also message in. And this is how way we can communicate. Just remember, we have to use school rules when we're in these things. You can set up your own meetings with your friends if you want. But if you're in a meeting with a teacher like myself, use appropriate language. Make sure if your camera is on that you're dressed in school attire and appropriately. And then if you need to speak with me, go ahead and message me down on the chat box, and I can go ahead and talk to you directly. Otherwise, too many noises from everyone's videos and microphones is going to cause some issues when we're trying to make this work. Okay? Hopefully this has been helpful, and you can also use Google Chat as well, and I can send out another video on how to do that, but I prefer the Google Meet right now, and there's going to be other applications that we can use. So we're all just going to work through this together, and hope you guys have a great day. Send me emails if you have questions, and let me know if things aren't working the way that you need them. Thanks.